Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com, and today we're going to install this gorgeous driven halo gas cap assembly on our Track Pastors GSXR 600. Okay, so you probably saw the handlebar install video, right? We're trying to make this bike just right. Customize it for our Track Pastor Mark Miracle, right? A lot of the vendors that we deal with are help and support with different products. One of those is Driven Racing. My friend Noam over there sent me a nice gas cap base and cap to replace this lovely piece that came on the donated bike. Probably the single biggest issue here, you can see that thing was on there. That gasket was so distorted that if you happen to have a tip over and it's laying in the weeds, it's gonna be leaking fuel. We can't have it. We like Mark, we wanna keep him around, right? His bike cannot be leaking gas. So here is our driven halo assembly. Comes complete with the gasket. There is your vent built in right there. This is a super simple install. This video is probably more of a thank you to my buddy Noam than it is a technical install. Comes complete with the fasteners for installation of the base. The base and the cap are sold separate. The reason behind that is Driven offers the cap in multiple colors. We chose red to match the color scheme on Mark's bike. They've got blue, they've got gold, they've got stainless, they've got silver, they've got black. What I like to do with these is just get them started and then run them down just to the point where they stop. Just bottoms out. Nice even torque. This isn't a project that I would use a torque wrench on. And once I've got them all bottomed out, probably about 1/8 of a turn, right? Just enough torque. It's a small fastener. Look at that, massive improvement. We are one step closer to having Mark's bike ready for delivery.